Hey, Marcia.
Okay. Actually, a good hint. You see the word G probably means something to do with her. If you know the word G. Vani ought to tell you a couple things just from. You might not know what the word Vani means. Yeah, Bob does. Okay. Vani, since it starts with aspiration, that means it's something that happened in the past, and you probably figured out by now this is a story. Everything happens in the past, right? Okay. Vani G, Marcia. Okay. So then, number 6, Shed the Vaha Atalan the Rasta.
Hail, full grace, the Lord is with thee.
That's the only problem with viewing. That's the only problem with viewing something that you know already. Okay, okay. Shed the Vaha. Someone who sings probably has heard that one before. Right. Okay. So you've heard that in the song, right? Talan the Rasta. You probably occasionally. Actually, if you're doing stuff that's in biblical stuff, a lot of words are going to be Latin, and so there's going to be some relation. And those kind of words will tend to show up in Irish the same. Okay. So grasta, you probably know that one. Okay. Ta and tirna lad is banihatu ijavra. Any of the words you know without actually just the fact that you know what it means already. Okay. And you know something about women. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Number 7. The mura chobur hashin is gur fagui in a bail gun smidge.
Was Mary.
Okay, Mary was, right? Something.
Without.
Yeah, without. Word fog, anyone know?
In a veil, obviously.
Yeah, a lot of times, you've seen the word fog before?
She went. Went.
Fog. Left. Yeah, so a lot of times if you take the end of the word, things like ADHs and things like that, you might be a word that you've seen before. Fagui in the bail gun smidge, which is actually a kind of a idiom anyway. So.
Mouth something.
Yeah, mouth and, okay, without something, but said, okay. Aul is gorev shi balov. Gorev, balov, yeah. Yeah, okay, we'll get there. You probably don't know those words. Okay. Number 8, Kervesho.
How can this be?
Okay.
Paradisho. This is
Yeah.
Paradisho.
Okay. All right, and Bob more or less got it. Okay. I guess Ken Kinno Banachta Isha.
Kimmel. I thought Kimmel was
It's a different Kinnel, it's spelled differently. Yeah.
Light, halo.
Ken Kinnel.
Blessed.
There's actually a word in English.
Blessing halo.
Banachta Isha. Okay. We'll see which. Banachta, actually, you got the blessing one you got on there. Banachta. If you there's another greeting, Banach Jayort or something, a blessing of God on you. So that's a greeting that's used in Irish also. Okay, number 9, Lower and Pengalarish.
Said the angel then.
Okay.
Again.
Okay. Nabiach Agla Orta Wuda. Nutajia. Right. Yeah. Nutajia Bra Sastalet.
God likes you.
Okay. Yeah. Sort of have the advantage of knowing the story already, so you won't get off so easy on the rest of them. So, Be Babuya got Igyan Nanimi.
Thou wilt have a baby in 9 months.
Okay.
Oh my gosh!
Makavea san Agusturi tu Isam or Animer.
Don't know Jesus.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. Okay, we're gonna do this now. Is I'm gonna pass around the quiz. We'll pick this up when we get back from the break. Okay. And so when you finish the quiz, just give it to me, and then we have a break, and I'll try and get water on while you guys are doing this.
Oh my God. Is this from last week?
This one. Oh, then you get 2 quizzes probably.
Never mind.
All right. Again, you can put your names on it if you want them corrected, or not if you don't. Yeah, and we'll be on break.
What was the 12? How do you say 12 again? The right way?
Oh. It depends on whether you're just saying the number 12 or you're counting things.
Either or.
Okay, so 12 is Doyeg is a number 12. And then if you're counting things like 12 pens, then you use Ga. Rafyan Jag, which is Rafyan is 2 pens, Jag 10.
Okay, we also said, 2 tens, 2 plus 10 or something.
Yeah, that's kind of, Nollag is, well, it's sort of like 2-teen in Irish.
What do you mean 2 teens?
In English, yeah, in English you start with 13, 14,
Oh.
15. In Irish you really start with 1-teen, 2-teen, 3-teen. So you use jag, it's kind of like the teen part that you have in English. And the thing that you're counting goes in the middle. So la pian jag is really like 2 pen teen or something like that. Well, a better example would be like cara. So 14 pens in Irish is something like 4 pen teen.
4 pen teen?
Yeah, instead of 14 pens, you say 4 pen teen.
And then when it gets into the 20s?
20s, it's a little different because then you say, like 4 pen, you would say cara fian is ficha, so 4 pens and 20.
4 pens and 20?
Yeah. Well, there's a tendency, people learning, I think, tend to do it backwards and say like 24 pens, but it's not really correct. Closed book, yeah.
I guess that's one here.
Well, put what you know. It's kind of like what we do with the reading, you know, you fill in the pieces you know and you guess it from then. But